In this video, we will show you how to change your profile picture. After you log into your email, you go up to the top right hand of your screen and there should be a little circle with an outline of a figure. To me, it reminds me of a checkers piece or just some kind of non-specific outline. But anyway, you click on that and then you'll see the My Accounts window open up. And once you scroll back over the picture, you will see a little camera where you can change the photo that appears in IM. It also comes across through your email. So we click there. And a little dialog window will be opened up. Oops. Let me reload here. And wait patiently as we connect. There's a little icon. And you can choose File. You can go into your different applications, your flash drive, if you've attached your iPad to it, or even your phone, or you've emailed it to yourself and saved it. You can go ahead and find your pictures. Click a profile picture. Once you click on it, then go down to Open. Wait for it to upload. That one's kind of fuzzy. I'm not sure if I like it. So if you like it, you can go ahead and push Save. Or I don't really like that one, so I'm going to click Change. Go back to Choose File. Try again. I think I'll try this one. Click on Open. Yes, that is much more clear and you can actually see my face and I'm not a blur. So once you find the photo that you like, some people prefer a clip art. I know some people like to have the anchors or a clippership, or if they want to keep like the actual picture of themselves, whatever suits your fancy. Afterwards, you just click Save. And there it is. That's all there is to it. You don't even need to save. It will save automatically. And it will be there when you open up your email to send it to people. I know Dr. Steininger's seen that, and I see her beautiful face every time I open up an email. But that's all there is.